how to review collection activity on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review collection activity on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings here, and now just go down until you find activity log, click on it, and then click this one, logout actions and other activity, and then go down until you find a collection activity, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.